Hi guys. I know. I look so royal. Okay. This is royalty. Check it out. Check the back. Check the back out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mansa, and if this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. This is the start of a new video. I am coming off to you guys all glammed and dolled up. I am going to a Nigerian event. If you know anything about Nigerian events, you know you got to be dressed up to the gods and back, okay? It is one of my really good auntie's 65th birthday party, and I am so happy and feel so blessed to be able to go and support her. Y'all, when I tell you African tailors be doing the most, but then sometimes they just don't listen. But this outfit, I had to do some alterations, and it looks so good right now. I am so happy I decided to wear it because I was so torn on what to wear. I feel like the dress needs to be on one side. It looks so beautiful. Ooh! We got a side swap moment. I'm going to try to give you guys a full-on look. The colors of the day for the party are purple and silver. I already talked about it in my previous video. This is supposed to be a continuation of that vlog because it was getting too long. So I split it into two. So yeah, let me show you the full outfit. So I don't have silver. My medal today is gold. I think you can see the full look. So this is what it looks like. It's more like a pencil skirt. It's a dress though, and then it has the side swap moment, and this is the back. So I'm gonna tie my Nigerian head wrap, the gele, but let me put you guys back up so we can talk. I am going to my friend's house to help me tie my head wrap because the one that she gave, it does not really match my outfit. This is the one that she gave, but it has a lot of silver and it just doesn't go. My dress is already too busy, so I'm gonna go in with a plain purple for mine, okay, that I already have, but I bought this anyway to support her. Y'all, I don't know how I feel about my makeup, but I think maybe it's just the lighting, but girl, it's looking good. Now I gotta do my perfume real quick so I can leave. Yes, I have done my cocktail of fragrances, and if you notice, they're all purple, not by choice, but yeah, going with the colors of the day. Yo, I look good. I look good. If I may say so myself, I look good, okay? By the time I tie this gele, okay? You guys are gonna see me. All right, let's go. I need to leave.
Oh, so you tell me bye-bye, huh? And many of them I don't even use.
Nations. At an early age, my mother, sometimes it's incredible that I came to America and I found out that.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här bara Jag kan nog leda baby, och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid, jag vill ha det, aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig baby. Du bär på mina babyskär.
When I tell you I'm tired, yo, I am so freaking tired. My voice is kind of gone. I'm losing my voice a little bit. Not so bad. Now tell me why I said I was not dancing. I said, oh, I'm not gonna dance, you know. I'm still not strong like I used to. I'm gonna take it easy and I'm not gonna dance. I'm just gonna sit and enjoy it and chill for a while. I danced, girl. I danced. I had fun. And I'm glad I did. Y'all, when I tell you my dress is fire, I am just so enjoying it. And I can't believe I almost didn't know wear this dress because it was just not what I thought it would be or how I thought it would be. And I'm glad I wore it because I got a lot of compliments. I had to take off my ghillie, my head wrap, because it was too, I was too tired and my head was beginning to hurt, so I took it off in the car. I even took off the wig, okay? I took the whole damn wig off. I just put it back on when I got in the house. Yeah, I don't want to ramble too much because I'm just admiring myself. I'm standing in front of my mirror and admiring myself. But yeah, right now, let me go take off my makeup. I'm tired. I'm tired. Mommy tired. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Toodles. Good morning. Good Sunday morning. I want to go to Sam's Club. And I'm going to take the kids with me. Y'all, this is the wig I had on last night when I went to the party. And when I tell you, the perfume, oh my goodness. My perfume smells so good on it. I really went in on this one. This Badi El Oud. This is from Latafa. If you guys know anything about Arabian fragrances, oh my goodness. This is some real stuff, y'all. I don't want to put it on my white sweatshirt. I'm going to put it on the inner one I have on. I feel like I don't even need too much right now because I already smell so good. Let me do something soft. I'll do Yara. Yara is pretty soft. Yeah, like I said, I want to go to Sam's Club. I'm totally out of wipes. I buy their baby wipes for myself to use like as a makeup cleaner. It's the only thing that works for me. I've tried so many makeup removing wipes, but I break out. So I buy the baby wipes, the sensitive wipes that has nothing in it. And it works for me. And I also leave some in the bathrooms. I'm totally out. Last night I didn't even have any to wipe my makeup off. I had to use wet paper towels, which was not it. So yeah, oh, I did not show you what we got from the party last night. So Nigerian parties, again, they will give you like a souvenir, like a gift for coming to their party. Where are you gonna get that? So we got this bag. My friend was like, is it a wig? I'm like, yeah, I wish. This is what the bag looks like. It's a nice cotton bag, and it has a blanket in there, a nice warm blanket. Yeah, it's nice and warm. Then we got this bag. It's like a silver bag that says thank you. It has like a notepad. Sometimes you forget you are awesome, so this is your reminder. I like to keep these in my office and just use them. Yeah, I use them as my little thing to take my notes for work. And it also has a pen, and it's personalized. It says, Happy Gloria's 65th birthday from your bosom friend. Get you a Nigerian friend. I'll be telling you. Get you a Nigerian friend. Something. But yeah, let's go. cute it is? That's what I used when you were a baby. Both you and Titi. This used to be way cheaper. Now it's a whole $21. Come on, get on it. You're wasting my time. Oh, so fatty. Beautiful Christmas stuff. It's so cute. I see it. Move over. I'm reading. We are ready to go. You're gonna have to pretend. Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
When you see it on Christmas Day, what are you gonna say?
Nothing. I mean,
No. What are you gonna say?
Wow.
Say wow. Oh my goodness, mommy.
Oh yeah. I found
Go to Wally World.
Wally
Wally World, baby.
Wait.
Walmart radio.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in